Toledo Public Schools has a program called Aspiring Young Educators, and it is an after-school club for students in grades 5 through 8 who might be interested in any career in education. We try to expose our AYE students to just different aspects of careers in education, and one thing teachers do is go to professional development. Let's have a conference where they get the name badge and a t-shirt, they'll hear a speaker, maybe experience a couple different sessions, have lunch, get some freebies, and then, really see what it's like to live the life of a teacher. So today is our first AYE conference. We're bringing all of our AYE scholars from around the district, and they're gonna come here and learn what it means to be a teacher.
Good morning! Good morning! Okay, that's a little better. I'll take it.
Each student, when they come in, they will actually receive a notebook. Dr. Archer has a notebook so that they can start to become teacher-like in writing down information that they need. Dr. Archer put a packet together of information. She's actually put together a teacher's lounge. There is a simulation of a science experiment that will take place. It's going to be a wide range of activities, and it's going to be a very engaging day for our students in Toledo Public Schools.
I went to Toledo Public Schools, and then I got my master's of education. I studied how to prepare teachers to meet the needs of culturally diverse students. And I just want our students to be able to see themselves as representing the communities that they come from. I want them to be able to see themselves in a way that maybe they did not consider before. I hope today is going to be a fun and engaging day for our students. We have some representation from some higher education institutions. I think it's great that so many different departments have come out to collaborate for this event, and I'm just really excited.
I'm Lisa Guthrie, and I'm TPS proud.
I am Amerah Archer, and I am TPS proud.